Those clouds that are out there right now and just a few spotty light showers. Nothing really major is showing up on radar right now, but let me take you out to the west because this is the system that we're watching that is going to be moving our way. You can see these showers and storms that are firing up a little bit more now up into parts of Tennessee. And then check this out. This doesn't look that impressive down there, but on the Texas and Louisiana border, we have a lone tornado warning that is in effect. That just goes to show the type of atmosphere that this storm system is moving into. There could be a few isolated, stronger storms with this and maybe even some tornadoes that develop. And we do expect that threat to be higher for areas north and west of us tonight. You can see this enhanced risk, that tan color right here through parts of far eastern parts of Arkansas, also into Mississippi, northwest Alabama and Tennessee. That's the area tonight where we're going to see more of those storms that are firing up. Closer in, you can see the slight risk for tonight, overnight, and into tomorrow morning extends into northwest Georgia. I'm really thinking that the parameters that we watch for severe weather are going to be higher up in northwest Georgia for the overnight hours and early in the morning. We have the marginal risk that extends here into Atlanta through those early morning hours. So let me walk you through what we're watching. This is our high resolution rapid refresh. Tonight we're going to see just a few spotty light showers around. I really think that before midnight we're not expecting anything strong moving in here. It's going to be during those overnight hours when we start to see this line of storms moving into northwest Georgia more like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You can see that line as it's moving in. We'll also watch a few isolated cells that can develop ahead of that main line during the overnight hours, and then it sweeps through during the morning. This is at 8:30. You can see the line as it moves on over to the east. Within that, we could have some strong thunderstorms with damaging winds. Isolated tornadoes are a low risk, but there is a chance we could see a few of those. Stay with us. We'll work out more of this timing and what to expect after the morning rush coming up in just a little bit.